Hello students, this is your chapter 3 for your GK. It is on page number 18, play with words. The exercise is rearrange the given words to form new words. Do as given in the example. EAT, a drink. So it's became tea, a drink. Okay, let's start like this. MEAT. And the phrase is given a group of people, team. Okay, TEAM. Yes, the new word is comes team, a group of people, it's called team. PLUM, a bump on the skin, it's called lump. LUMP. LEAP, a long sound of bells. बेल्स का बहुत लंबा साउंड, उसे क्या कहते हैं? लीप नहीं कहते. PEAL, PEAL, a device that gives out light. Palm, no, it's lamp. LAMP. The new word, when we rearrange these given words, the new words comes that lamp, a device that gives us light. To make telephone call, late. To make telephone call, dial, DAIL, dial. A short sleep, NAP, nap. नींद का झुकाना, a short sleep, nap, NAP. Fear, money paid for a ride on a bus or taxi, FARE, fare. A game, outdoor play, sports. We have to make new words from these given words. So as comforts and SPORTS, sports. One who make and sells bread and cakes. Here break is given. ब्रेक नहीं होता है. जो ब्रेड बनाता है, केक्स बनाता है, उसे हम बेकर कहते हैं. तो बी आगे आ जाएगा, BAKER, बेकर. Baker word, new word came from these given alphabets. Baker. Horse, a land at the edge of a sea. समुद्र के किनारे पे बैठना या फिर जगह, उसे क्या कहते हैं? Shore, SHORE, shore. Okay, so this is your chapter 3. You have to make new words from the given words and also meaningful word we have to make. For these phases, a group of people is became team, bump of the skin is became lump, long sound of bell is became pale, a device that gives us light, lamp. To make a telephone call, dial. A short sleep, it's called nap. Money paid for a ride on a bus or taxi, it's called fare. A game, outdoor play, it's called sports. One who makes and sells bread and cakes, it's called baker. And land at the edge of a sea, it's called shore. Chapter 4, similes. A simile is a figure of speech in which one thing is compared to another. Simile is one type of figure of speech. फिगर ऑफ स्पीच बहुत सारे हैं, बट इसमें से पहला हम सीखने वाले हैं आज सिमिलीज. सिमिलीज का मतलब होता है एक चीज़ को दूसरी चीज़ से कंपेयर करना. एज वाली बात, कंपेरिजन आता है. एज को एज बिग एज एन एलिफेंट. ओके, ऐसे हमको कंपेयर करना. यहाँ पे बताए एन एगली एज अ कैट. दिस वे लेट्स फिल दिस ब्लैंक्स. As loud as thunder, as busy as bee, as cool as a cucumber, as faithful as a dog, as timid मतलब डरपोक, as timid as a mouse, as hot as fire, as obstinate as a moon, as proud as a peacock, as slow as a snail. Then, as sharp as a razor, as innocent as a lamb. Next one, as cunning as a fox. Then, as fresh as dew, as hard as steel, as light as feather, as opposite as the poles, as stupid as an ash, and as sweet as honey. So answer is given below, but we have to write down over here, as we compared this thing as another things. It called simile. Simile is a figure of speech which is one thing is compared to another thing. So this chapter you also write down in your GK textbook and read this chapter. Thank you.